Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner of the video at the end. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar yen did play out as I said on Friday. I said that it's probably more likely it's going to make its way down to the bottom of this channel. To me, this looks very clearly to be an ABC. I think that this is a correction to the last impulsive movement up. So impulsive down, one up, three down, one up for the B. So three waves of B, and now impulsive down for the C. To me, it looks like a wave one, wave two, wave three. So we might get like a double bottom bounce right here. It might even break the channel a little bit. And then if it goes up, and then if it gives us that nice break of structure, that probably would be the continuation of the uptrend. I think it is almost definitely going to go up and break that daily time frame structure I've been talking about. So keep an eye out for a break to the upside on these sort of time frames, telling you that the wave C is over and that we are back into the uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.